The Uniden Guardian AppCam SX is a 100% wire-free, weatherproof, smart Wi-Fi security camera and spotlight in one. Protect your property by deterring, recording and scaring off potential unwanted intruders with this leading surveillance device. Place the AppCam SX outdoors anywhere you need watching and rest assured your home, driveway, garage, office or other property is safe and sound, day or night. Colour night vision provides greater clarity and the built-in spotlight adds colour to the night vision footage. The AppCam SX captures full HD video for clearer images and live streaming in more detail. The camera's 90-degree wide viewing angle lens means you see and capture more of what's going on. You won't miss a thing. 100% wire-free, the AppCam SX connects to your Wi-Fi spot and setup is simple, allowing you to view vision on your smartphone or tablet from anywhere in the world. The PIR motion-activated spotlight illuminates your path and adds colour so that you can see better in the dark. Motion detection recording means vision is recorded for future use to a removable micro SD card. Plus, it can also be backed up to the My Uniden Plus cloud for off-site storage and viewing, with up to 3 days of free rolling backups. The AppCam SX also features ThermoSense technology, a smart heat and movement sensor that detects movement from people as opposed to motion from trees and other objects. This feature allows you to receive notifications from actual events, giving you the ability to act quickly and call the police when needed. When triggered, the camera sends a customizable smart alert, allowing you to see and hear what's happening from wherever you are. Check and see if there's any security concerns, such as unwanted trespassers, a break-in or burglary. A two-way talk feature means you can listen and talk back in real time. And a siren alert trigger activates a siren with the touch of a finger, scaring off unwanted intruders. Low battery notifications are automatically sent once battery capacity drops to 10%, allowing plenty of time for a recharge. The AppCam SX is also available in a solar panel kit, with the camera and solar panel included in the one box. Extend battery operating time with an easily installed and weatherproof Uniden solar panel, providing non-stop power during daylight hours. Place the Uniden Guardian AppCam SX outdoors without worrying about the weather. Its innovative, weatherproof design means the camera can be used anywhere and adjusted to cover any area. Designed specifically with Australian properties in mind, the AppCam SX is part of the Uniden Guardian AppCam 100% wire-free, Full HD 1080p smart security camera range and comes with a 2-year local warranty. Give yourself peace of mind with one of the most efficient spotlight security cameras on the market. Sure to suit any home or business, the Uniden Guardian AppCam SX. Monitoring and securing your home or business has never been so easy. Uniden, we've got you guarded.